In this video, we'll demonstrate how to change the email address on your Spotify account. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to manage your Spotify settings, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Now let's get right into this guide. Whether you're using a mobile device or a computer, the process is the same. Start by closing the Spotify app. Next, open your browser. In the address bar, type in accounts.spotify.com and press Go or Enter. You'll be directed to a page where you need to enter your current email and password. Once logged in, you'll see two options: Account Overview or Web Player. Click on Account Overview. Scroll down until you see Edit Profile and tap on it. At the top, you'll find the Email section. Tap on the box, remove the current email, and type in the new one you want to use. After entering the new email, scroll down and tap on Save Profile. If you encounter any issues or need additional assistance, tap on the three bars again, go to Support, and search for Change Email. Follow the steps provided. If you're still struggling, go to the bottom of the page, click on Contact Spotify, and choose the method to send a message. And that's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, please take a moment to like and subscribe. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes changing your Spotify email a straightforward process for you.